Hey, how you doing? If you haven't been following along with my videos, my name's Lance, and I'm building a powder coating oven out of a smoker. It's a Masterbuilt ES35B analog smoker. I'll post a link here actually to the very first video in this series, and it explains everything. For the sake of keeping this intro short, I'll just cut to the chase. I've built the control box, I've bench tested it, I've set the PIDs to where I want them, and we're going to install it on the oven, wire it up, and hopefully we don't burn the house down. That'd be a bad thing. Okay, let's do it. This is my favorite soldering gun. It's Milwaukee, cordless. Works really good. This is my second favorite. Just have some music going. Okay, I've done a quick little once over on everything. Made sure there was no loose wires. I think we're good. Okay, I'm going to put it back up there. I think it would be better. Okay, we're all plugged in, ready to go, ready for its inaugural run. I have my phone here on the stopwatch, so I'll time it, see how long it takes to get up to 400 degrees. Let's go. So far so good. If you haven't seen past videos, this is just it's a temperature controller. I could run a fan off of it if I want or if I need to. But right now it just has a little thermistor going into the heatsink on the SSRs. Just to let me know what the temperature of the SSRs are. It's in Celsius, so the numbers are going to be whacked compared to that. Ooh. I'll open the door for you. Whoa, that's actually pretty bright. Oh yeah, that's great. I had a little bit of concern about those little 40-watt bulbs, but no, that's great. Okay, I'll try the fan. Nice. Sweet. Let's try the bottom element. Oh yeah, heat right away. That's great. Try the top element. Woo! That old contactor is kind of noisy. Click. It's got a good buzz to it too. And oh yeah, heat right away. We're good to go. Okay, let's we'll close the door. Get my timer going here. And we'll see how long it takes. Maybe turn the fan on. So yeah, 5 minutes. That's a pretty good number. I'm real happy with that. Now I just have to clean up the wiring and throw some extra protection on the back and the sides, clean it up a bit, and learn how to powder coat. If you haven't seen my past videos, go check them out. I go through the whole process of how I built this thing. And feel free to subscribe. Come on back and check out future videos, because now I have to learn how to powder coat, and I've never done it before, so that should be interesting. And yeah, thanks for coming by.